Today's a collection of talks and workshops and opportunities really for the writing profession and those who aspire to be part of the writing profession to meet people who are already working in that industry.
From the whole day, encouragement, because that's vital. Tips on how to go about approaching people for more information and the first sort of break. Just the right way to go about sending material in.
We've got people here from S4C, we've got people here from Radio 4. This afternoon we've got people here from BBC Television. You know, the industry are interested in talking to the next generation of writers.
Well, I managed to talk to Jed about just after he did the seminar about the steps you need to take to get from just writing to actually writing for a show like Have I Got News For You.
Anything that's deliberately funny on the telly or on the radio has generally been written by somebody, and the writers are often the least recognised and sometimes the least valued person in the team. And without them, there's no funny stuff.
Mae digwyddiadau fel hyn yn hynod o bwysig achos bod e yng Nghymru. Mae'n gyfle i ni gysylltu gyda'r diwydiant ehangach dros glawdd offa, yn ogystal â bod yn rhan o'r diwydiant yma yng Nghymru. Mae'n ysbrydoledig, mae'n gyfle i rhwydweithio, mae'n gyfle i gwrdd â phobl ac i adael eich dychymych i rwymo yn rhydd. Felly mae mor bwysig bod e mewn lle fel Llandudno a bod cyfle i bobl Cymru ddod yma yng Nghymru I gael y profiadau yma.
I really want to get into the industry, but it's such a hard thing to do. But this is right. You come to these places, you make the right moves, you meet the right people.